video 36 të do tjetë video e fundit me këtë ushtrim who was, duke I përdorur 400 folje të rregullta dhe ju lutem 100 folje të parregullta. Do të thotë në këtë ushtrim morëm këto folje me ing form e patjetër duhet kur të vej në përdorim këto dyja ju lutem. Fjala është për is edhe was. Who is eating now? My sister is eating now. Who was eating this morning? My sister was eating this morning. Who is falling from the tree? My brother is falling from the tree. Who was falling from the tree? My brother was falling from the tree. Who is forgetting things? My brother is forgetting things. Who was forgetting things? My brother was forgetting things. Who is getting your letters? My sister is getting my letters. Who was getting your letters? My sister was getting my letters. Who is going to the shop? My brother is going to the shop. Who was going to the shop? My brother was going to the shop. Who is having lunch with you? My uncle is having lunch with me. Who was having lunch with you? My uncle was having lunch with me. Who is hearing them? My teacher is hearing them. Who was hearing them? My teacher was hearing them. Who is holding the ladder? I am holding the ladder. Who was holding the ladder? I was holding the ladder. Who is knitting your socks? My mother is knitting my socks. Who was knitting your socks? My mother was knitting my socks. Who is learning with you? My sister is learning with me. Who was learning with you? My sister was learning with me. Who is losing the game? My friend is losing the game. Who was losing the game? My friend was losing the game. Who is making coffee? My mother is making coffee. Who was making coffee? My mother was making coffee. Who is paying the lunch? My uncle is paying the lunch. Who was paying the lunch? My uncle was paying the lunch. Who is saying something? My father is saying something. Who was saying something? My father was saying something. Who is shining your shoes? My friend is shining my shoes. Who was shining your shoes? My friend was shining my shoes. Who is shooting the ball? My brother is shooting the ball. Who was shooting the ball? My brother was shooting the ball. Who is standing near the door? My sister is standing near the door. Who was standing near the door? My sister was standing near the door. Who is understanding you? My brother is understanding me. Who was understanding you? My brother was understanding me. Pra, ju dëshirojmë sukses, inqizimi u bë dhe përfundua me datën 27/12/2015. Edhe njëherë ju përshëndesim duke ju dëshiruar sukses. Ky ishte një përemër pyetës who, ku në të ardhmen do të kemi edhe përemrat pyetës tjerë që janë 6, where, ku, what, çka, why, pse, përse, when, kur, edhe kështu pra gjithsej do të ushtrojmë me të gjitha këto së bashku. Ju dëshirojmë sukses.